Hello, boys and girls. Today we will talk about regrouping in subtraction. I have some money to help show what that looks like, because sometimes we look at stuff on paper and makes us go, huh? Doesn't really make sense to us. So first things first, let's work it out on paper. We have 312 minus 195. So first step, as we all know, is we work with our ones. So we have 2 minus 5, which would give us negative 3, and that doesn't really work inside of our answer. So what we're going to do is we are going to borrow 10 ones from our 10, making this a 0. And we're going to give that 10 to this 2, so making that 12 instead of a 2. So now we can work with 12 minus 5, because that would give us 7. Nice easy number we can work with. So now moving on, we have the same problem in our tens place. We have a 0, and we have to take away 9. So that doesn't work. So what can we do? We can take a 100 away from this 300 and 312, making this a 200. And we can give it here, making that essentially 100 minus 90. But we are going to just look at it as 10 minus 9, make it easy. We got 1. And now we have our 2 minus 1, giving us another 1, giving us 117. So we're going to scroll over here. I have $3 bills representing 100. 1 dime representing 10, and 2 pennies representing 2. So in reality, this is 300, or 300. This is $3.12. So we're just going to think of it as cents, not in terms of dollars. So we have 312 cents, and we need to take away 195 cents. So first things first, we're going to work with our pennies, or our ones. Now we need to take away 5 from this 2. And let's see, 1, 2, and I've already run out. So I'm going to have to change this dime into 10 pennies. So now we can take away our 5. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, there's our 5, and we're going to move those out of the way. We're going to bring these down because this will be part of our answer. So now we need to take away 9 dimes from our 0 dimes. So we are going to replace this $1 bill, and we're going to put in, hope I got them all. Replace that with 10 dimes. So now that we have 10 dimes, we can take away 9. So we are going to take away all those except for 1. So we're going to move these out of the way and take away, and we're going to bring the 1 left over down here. So now we have $2 bills, and we need to take away 1 from our problem. So there we go. We're going to whisk that away, and we're going to bring what's left over down. So when we come down here, we have 100, a 10, and 7 pennies. So giving us a 1 in the hundredths place, a 1 in the tens place, and a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the ones place. And if you remember, that was our answer, 117. 117. Hope this was helpful. Hope you enjoyed it, and have a nice day.